a growing or small YouTuber with a few subscribers, and anytime you post, you've got less than 500 views, you need to turn this off now, like ASAP. Because this could be the exact reason why you aren't getting those views. This could be the exact reason why YouTube isn't recommending your videos, or why YouTube isn't pushing or suggesting your videos to the right kind of people. Don't wait. Jump on this. This is so important. This one thing changes the entire game. And in this video, I'm going to walk you step by step how to turn it off quickly, how to turn it off like right away. I'll go on my screen right now and just show you how to turn this off. You need to do it as soon as possible. I'm serious. And if for any reason you're yet to subscribe to this channel, now is the time. Click that subscribe button, like this video, share it. If you get any value from it, help others. Help others move in this YouTube game, because YouTube is the new television, and growing your audience and getting in that views is the way to go, because that is what translates to profits. So share this video, like it, and let's dive into it. Click that first link below in the description box to speak to me directly. So look at my screen and I'll show you exactly how to turn it off. Let's just do a demo so that you see the step-by-step method. I'll pick any video as an example. Look at this. So let's assume you have uploaded your video. First of all, in my other video, I've talked about naming your video before you upload it. Because if you rename it here, of course, you remember what I said, it will not apply to this area here. So the YouTube algorithm wouldn't get enough metadata to ensure that your video ranks well. So you should have named the video even before you uploaded it. Now look at this. I'm scrolling down so that you see exactly what to turn off. Here's your thumbnail where you upload your thumbnail, and then scroll down. When you go to show more, look at this area called show more. Click on it. Once you click on it, scroll down even further and you'll see the important bits. This you have to say no, especially if your video does not contain any of this. Ensure you say no. Then scroll down a little more. You have where you have to put in the tags and all of that. I've explained that in my other video, which you need to watch in the playlist at the end if you haven't already. Now look at this. This is the critical area for small YouTubers. So if you have few subscribers, you don't have a lot of subscriber base and you're getting few views, make sure you turn this off, because it's automatically on. It's automatically checked. So uncheck it. You see it's written publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. What this means is that if you leave it as it's checked, if you leave it on this way, once you post this video, YouTube will serve it to your subscribers. And remember, you are a growing YouTuber, you have only a few subscribers. It will serve it to your subscribers. And the moment they don't watch it, because they are few, so if you have just few subscribers, how many people will watch it? The moment your subscribers don't watch it, some people even have no subscribers or like a handful. The moment it gets that signal that people aren't watching your videos, it will stop recommending your videos. That will send a signal to the YouTube algorithm that your video is not good enough. So you must turn this off. Like immediately. Don't forget. The reason I say don't forget is the moment you post the video, you cannot change it. You cannot come back and say, oh, I forgot. I just want to turn it off. So turn it off even before you start to fill out the description and everything. All of the bits I showed you in the other video. I showed you how to fill your title, how to get your title, how to use AI to generate your description, highly SEO optimized description packed and loaded with the right and relevant keywords. So, but this is so critical and you cannot change it. In fact, try it. It will be grayed out the moment you have posted the videos. So it won't allow you to change it. It will save it, notify your few subscribers or no subscribers, depending on where you are in your YouTube journey. And the moment it's not getting signals that people are watching your videos, it will just stop recommending your videos. So this may be the reason why YouTube have not been recommending your videos, because you are a growing YouTuber, you are a small YouTuber just with few subscribers. That is why you keep getting few views. But if this is off, if you turn this off as it is now, all you need to do is uncheck it to turn it off. Once you turn it off, YouTube will now recommend your videos to people who have clicked on something similar. So it's now not just your subscriber base. It's now people who are actually interested in your videos. So they have a higher chance to watch your videos because they are already interested in something similar. So YouTube will keep recommending it to people who have clicked on something similar, suggest it to people who are looking for those keywords. That is exactly how YouTube will serve your videos. However, if for any reason you do not turn it off and you post the videos, I'm sorry, you can't change it. You cannot change it. So you just have to remember to do it every single videos. So what I do personally, I uncheck it, I turn it off even before I start to feel other bits, even before I go up. When I uncheck it, then I can go up, go back, scroll back up and fill in, put my thumbnails, fill in my descriptions. Already you can see one trick I'll show you about the description is already you can see I have stuff already populated. Those are standard stuff that will always be in all of my videos. So you can fill that in, like you can make it automatic. Then the rest of the description you generate with AI and paste it above the things that are always, or that have to be in your videos. Always. If certain bits have to be in every videos, you can just make that automatic. But make sure you turn this off before you start doing all of that, because by the time you start doing all of that, it's easy to forget. You just fill in your tags. By the time you fill in your tags, you want to fill in select language. When you do select language, you can actually choose more than one language. I have discussed this in another video that you need to watch in the playlist at the end of this video. That playlist is packed with the things, all of these bits I've mentioned, value adding stuff like this are all in that playlist. So when you click this playlist displayed on your screen, these are the areas that you need to adjust to make sure your YouTube videos are positioned well, are optimized to get to the right audience. Now it's YouTube that's recommending your videos, that's suggesting your videos to the right people, the people who are looking for it, not you trying to take your videos and like choke your family to watch your videos, or your friends, and no one is watching it. But once you are able to position your videos well, watching the various videos in this playlist, your videos will be recommended and pushed by YouTube to the right audience. So whatever you do, remember, as a growing YouTuber, as a small YouTuber, turn this function off, which is to publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. See you in the next video.